Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your account is already set to creator or business, the app is updated, and your connection is stable. Next, log out and log back in to refresh permissions. This often triggers dashboard retrieval. Once done, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted data. Make sure two-factor authentication is active when you reconnect, because Instagram sometimes blocks dashboard features on uncertain accounts. Once basic resets are complete, move into detailed recovery. Open Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio and switch to the Instagram profile to force a sync. If the dashboard remains unavailable, unlink and relink your Instagram to your Facebook page and reauthorize all permissions. This refreshes the API token. Also inspect your professional account details, category, contact info, and public profile settings, because incomplete fields can block dashboard features. These steps re-establish the backend link. To finish, give Instagram up to 24 hours to reconcile account status after relinking. Meanwhile, try accessing the dashboard from a different device or network to rule out local issues. If it still fails, use settings help report a problem and include screenshots, account ID, and timestamps. Make sure to export any existing insights from Meta Business Suite before making large changes, because you may need historic data. If support responds slowly,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.